Once your patent has been allowed, you have to pay maintenance fees to keep it alive. Maintenance fees are due at 3.5 years, 7.5 years, and 11.5 years after it's been issued. It's technically a window that opens up at 3 years and closes at 4 years, where the due date is at 3.5 years, and if you don't pay by 3.5 years, there's a surcharge. Why do we have these? The government has an interest in freeing up the market. So if you're not using your invention, you're probably not going to pay the patent maintenance fee. And if you don't pay the patent maintenance fee, you're probably going to allow your patent to go abandoned so that the rest of the world can maybe use that technology as a stepping stone to building other things. But if you are using your patent and you are licensing it, or you're selling your invention, you have to pay that maintenance fee to keep it going. Right now, as of 2021, the time of shooting this video, the patent maintenance fees are $1,000 for 3.5 years, $1,880 for 7.5 year maintenance fee, and $3,850 for the 11.5 year maintenance fee. These change from time to time, so just ask your patent attorney about these fees, and if you're using your invention, please be sure to pay those maintenance fees.